Recording the sewer line here at 1475 Northwest 77th Street. The date is August 6, 2020. I'm recording this from the downstream clean out here in the back deck in the backyard of the house. What we're looking at here is as far out as I can push the camera, way down into the neighbor's shared portion of the line. So this line connects to the neighbor's house to the east, and then connects to the neighbor's line to the east there, and then heads out towards the street. I believe the sewer runs up and down, what is that, 14th over there, I believe. Anyway, coming back from here, so this is the shared section of the line. This is a liner that Bob Oates did not install. This is a project that I believe the neighbor took on in the past. So just wanted to show you the line. This is none of the work that we did here. Back into some plastic still. Nothing that we've done. Alright, so here is where the neighbor's line connects. The neighbor did this liner all the way downstream. This is where their line connects. On the left side of the screen, that's the neighbor's tie-in to the sewer line. And then we're going to come back into the Bob Oates installed liner. So on the proposal, we said we come within one foot of that tie-in. That's 1 foot of the tie-in, within a foot there. We're back in this 4-inch liner that we've installed now, new flow. So we're coming back towards the house now. Very nicely installed liner. Coming back now, there's around that turn. That was a turn we had a little bit of concern we were going to be able to get the liner past, but able to do it. Looks good. Back into our repair now, so we reinstalled an upstream cleanout as part of this project. The downstream cleanout was already existing. That's the existing one. This is the upstream one that we've installed. We're going to go back through the plastic, back up to the house, back into a Bob Oates installed liner here. Left a gap for this tie-in, a small gap for that pipe to tie in. Another small gap for that tie-in. And then we're coming back into the cast iron pipe right there. So back into the cast iron just as we planned. Had to leave us a couple of small gaps to accommodate some tie-ins in the pipe. Other than that, line looks great. Great repair. End of the video there.